Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going to go over the OPTION2TRADE token, ticker symbol O2T, and the security on this token. Now recently I did a video about the OPTION2TRADE pre-sale that's going on right now, and just basically it was just the information on the pre-sale and what it is, what the token is, that type of stuff. So now we're going to go over their audit in depth because they have a cyberscope audit. And I did mention that, I believe, in the last video that they did have an audit, but we didn't dive deep into the audit to see if there's any warnings on this project here, any warnings on the smart contract that you should be aware about that could lead to potential scam risks. So we're going to go over that. We're going to see if the O2T token could potentially be a scam, and we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, one thing I just noticed, so on their white paper, they have a cyberscope audit. Now, when you go on their webpage, OPTION2TRADE so this is the page that I talked about in the first info video that I did there about what this project is. So now I'm looking at their audits here. So if you click on the cyberscope audit, it'll open up an actual cyberscope audit. So that one works. But it says here, block audit, team verified by block audit, KYC verified, view certificate here. You click on that, takes you right back to their webpage. So that doesn't even exist. So I don't even know why that is on their page. Maybe that's coming soon. But I mean, it says here stage 5 is 95.2% done already. They've already sold $2.8 million worth of tokens. You'd think they would have fixed that on their page by now. But for some reason, that block audit does not work when you click on that. So that is the first kind of sketchy thing right there, is that that audit takes you absolutely nowhere. So I can scroll down to, and it says, it says that one is the KYC, but then there's no, so that means there's no KYC. So there's just the audit basically. So basically the team is not doxed that I could see anywhere. So that would be the first warning. By the way, if you want to learn about what the project is, just go check out the last video. I'll try to remember to link it up here. But that one's just about what the project is, basically. And so this one's just about the security on the token. So besides that, though, basically within the platform, they have SocialFi, DeFi, staking, governance, community trading. And that's the things that they offer, or they're going to offer anyways. And this pre-sale, like I said, is still in stage 5. So that first audit doesn't work, and the first KYC or whatever that's supposed to be doesn't work and doesn't take you anywhere. Now, if you go to click on their white paper, which will take you to whitepaper.option2tradepresale.com, you will see in the additional O2T information section, it has a section that says O2T security audits and KYC. So you can click on that, and it says a secure blockchain project attracts a more engaged and trusting user and developer community. Regular security audits demonstrate a commitment to the safety of the ecosystem. Security audits are a critical part and responsible blockchain development and operation, contributing to the long-term success and sustainability of blockchain projects and platforms. OPTION2TRADE has completed an audit with the following third-party security organizations, and it just has the cyberscope one, so it doesn't have the other one that doesn't work. So that one should be taken off the webpage until it exists. Now, it does have a section here, contact OPTION2TRADE team. And then it just says contact them with a Telegram, Twitter, or there's contact and support emails. So as far as I could see, the team is not doxed anywhere that I could find. So just keep that in mind, that they're not, you know, like, here's who we are, guys. You know, so this Cyberscope audit has a bunch of information on it. So we could go over there. So it says here, their score is 81%, and it says low risk. So they have the first audit here, they got 95%, and you could view the findings of that. So it says there's one minor finding on here. I'm going to try to link these on the page here too. I'll put them up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But you could view the PDF, or you can click view findings. And it says here, RRS, redundant require statement. So this is the problem with this first part here. It says, so the contract utilizes a require statement within the check IS address valid, or check is address valid modifier, aiming to check if an Ethereum address is equal to itself. This condition is redundant since an address in Solidity will always be equal to itself, so this redundancy adds unnecessary complexity to the contract and results in extra gas costs when the contract is executed. The additional self-comparison does not provide any extra security or functional benefit. So they're saying they added something redundant here that just causes unnecessary gas fees to the purchaser or seller. So that should be removed. So that's dumb that they have that. But that's really not like, you know, we're going to rug pull you or anything like that. That's more of just like you're just getting charged extra gas for no reason. And their fundamentals here, they got 69% on their fundamentals. And that is because their website here is 4 years old here. And that they have no Cyberscope KYC. So they got this audit, but they didn't get KYCs. And so then they have market stability information, and they only got 64% on that because basically there's no information on there. And then they got 35% on their community, and they got, I guess they got listed on CoinScope, it says here. But basically, as you scroll through, it's just that one redundant warning that they really show here. So the audit is actually the best part. The health score, though, for the security here, it says 61.8%. So community, basically 81% is not a great audit if you think about it, right? 81%. But I mean, if you look through the security here, it's not like the worst warnings you could find here. So it says security analysis is not applicable for this current contract address. Try a different one or contact the advanced report. Now, also, you know, a lot of these new pre-sale tokens too, it's like harder for them to run a full check on them because they're like not live on DEXs yet and things like that. But 81% is not great, right? So just be aware of that. And it looks like they haven't had even though it's a full audit, they haven't had most of the stuff checked, it looks like. So that's an issue too, is that they should have a KYC and they should have, you know, more of a thorough audit that checks more of the contract, because 81% is not great and there's tons of missing information and there's no KYC. So take that as you wish. I would say that this is not great, the audit. But I would say, you know, like I'm unsure, obviously, if it's going to be a scam or not. Like, you can't be completely sure until the team actually scams you, right? You have no idea if it's going to be a scam. But there is potential to be a scam because the audit is not 100%. So just be aware of that. Is this token a scam? Maybe. Maybe. Not 100% secure. So do your own research. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about OPTION2TRADE? Do you think this is a good investment or not? like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.